narisho kuteka emihingo aha barokore narishi aha born again itwe twayangira kimwe itekeryo ahabo kandi twikiriza ngo amateka ku government yaturetira gitwine negatubasa kandi buzima tumarwa nago
ahabwa engamba nonje yaturetire nk'abarokore katuhereza freedom of worship mbwe no Mungu mwema yemukire tukarugombe wempe tukataruka kombe kama kanisa marunji hati nyona yemerera kwa kanisa police yegeriyo negezaho kushohora ahabwo kuba itwe tukarugomo Anglican tukaba twagigiremo niyo twabire turumu yatwora yatsya kuba born again kuba ba Pentecost so hati twargomo Anglican twajunwa kandi hatabwe nco muntu no bawarigiro mu kintu ngarice kigaricemu nyobone ncakanisiza kimwe
twabanza gamba hitekere munereja ere kwenda kugira barokore ngo umuntu akaramya kwa kwenda ningashi kumuteganisa ukacekace bakamuzibiraho umukonstitution yihanga nyoni kitaro gishomanje inomuka negira ngo buri muntu naramya hanga ngo kwa kwenda ngo kucyahinguzibwe mbwene eco naninjya ngo cye bihingo eco no kukiringuruzamo tutwikirizana nacyo twenda gukora ngo constitution yihanga ere kugamba
ahabwa Gntv Agarikwotsya na Clinton nahabwe mjomba umurembo rwambarara
twaje mu ishengero ritu rya Uganda omugambirizo w'ishengero Westernsa Aneta Manga yaryo yashabanya Uganda kurekeraho kugambura abanyeshengero ngo no bakoresa esente nyingi kandi yagira ngo izo tenshonga zibine ku bantu bafaho yagaruka yashobora ngo mukuru w'ihanga naije kuba nagambaho n'abanya Uganda ombwire utarwa hari katubirebe.
Meanwhile, I have also got information our balance of the money has been sent, the one on road 5, the 500 million. I've got information, money has been sent, so that is one reason why. Another minister. District, not to notify. Now the money has been sent to different districts. And remember the 1 billion which we appropriated in this house. Yes.
The Right Honorable Speaker, I wanted to provide that clarity because you had just talked about misinformation. That the money the Right Honorable Speaker is talking about is the road maintenance grant passed by this parliament, and each district, city and municipality in Uganda was earmarked to receive 1 billion. 250 million was released in quarter 1, 250 million in quarter 2. Now for quarter 3 and 4, every district, city and municipality in Uganda has received the last bit of 500 million Uganda shillings for road maintenance. And this is supposed to be appropriated through the district, city and municipality roads committee created under the Uganda Road Fund Act.
Thank you. And to all members, I hope you're monitoring that money in your constituencies. Because my presumption is in one or the other, your chairpersons of the road committee. So you must make sure that you make a follow-up of that money, the money sent to the districts, and how the money is being used. Yes,
Madam Speaker, I want to thank you very much, but I request the government. And I remember I said it last time, when you read the instructions that we are given to finance and what was resolved here, that money was supposed to come at once, on top of all other allocations, budget allocations. God read it carefully. But still, we thank you for that. But Madam Speaker, you are about to the state of national address. For me, I want, why are we still going to such a function and you have to test me, COVID, track my nose? On our side, Madam Speaker, I want to know the results of the president before he tests me. Because how can we have one person in this country that everybody must get closer to him after being tested with COVID? We are refusing to appear and it's not tested. How do we know his results?
Honorable member, issues of health is private. And because the issues of health is private, if you want to know the president's COVID results or health, you can get a court order and ask for it. But also, one thing that I must tell you, the state of national address is your function. It's a parliament function. This morning, I got a confirmation from His Excellency the President on the state of national address. The state of national address will be on 6th June 2024, and the budget reading will be on 13th June 2024, and that is pursuant to Article 101 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. We will receive that, and in the same vein, after that, the President will open the next session. And I want us to be innovative. Where should we have the next session? Should we have in Odurus village? We'll discuss that. We'll discuss that, but I'm just informing you that we'll be having 6th and 13th for both the state of national address and then the middle speech, respectively.
Za asimagajes ahabwa GNTV Agarikwotsya.
Enshonga zo kufura ekyome kya ruzira zikiriyo nizigamba okunoku abanyeshengerera izoba bargayo bagamba enshonga ezi kandi bashaba gavumenti erebeke ngu yargayo yagamba ekishemerire kuba nikibaho omuri ebyo Honorable Joel Senyonyi yashaba speaker w'ishenjero kugira ngo aronde abanyeshenjero abarakurengana n'ekitongore kirikwesigwa okucyondoza yaba buzima ekyome kine kuba nikifururwa kati birebe
Nshminche enyuma ho ishengero y'ihanga rya Uganda bakargayo ba leta ekitenso ekyo kugira ngo bahindure ekihome cya Ruzira prison bakiteke aha mwanya ogundi wakuba aha mwanya gwo gukiroho nibenda futeka hotel wibuganya muhango